If you've got any type of noise or shuddering or vibration coming out of your transmission, whether it's your torque converter or the transmission, this is something that might help. This is the Lubegard Instant Shudder Fix. This one I've already used. What you're going to do, I have a Ford F-150 and it has kind of like a shudder. When you're going down the highway, you can kind of give it gas and then the torque converter slipped a little bit. So what I want to do, I wanted to try this until I get time to get an oil change and get it flushed out and all that. So to put it in an F-150, you're going to go up under it, and it's a 19mm bolt. You're going to take one side of the kind of like the guard off, drop it down, and then open that one 19mm bolt, and there's a dipstick in there. Take the dipstick out, cut your instant fix, slide it, squish it down in there, and you are good to go. Then drive it at least 20 miles. Now this right here is a friction modifier that will actually add a little more friction to the fluid. The fluid has some in it, but this can help out with some friction on the actual torque converter plates to give you a more, and who knows, it might fix it completely and you never have it. I drove it for 20 miles. Instantly it was fixed. I have no more issues out of my torque converter. This is something I recommend. I looked around online and a lot of people have had great success with this Shudder Fix, and I recommend it. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the Lubegard Instant Shudder Fix. See you all in the next video.